Today is a special day in Loomis Chafee's history. Throughout this 110-year history, we have remarkably had only 7 heads of school. Until today, when we welcome and officially install our 8th head of school, Jody Reilly Soja.
I'm thrilled to see a leader of her qualities join the select group of heads of school who have worked so diligently to make Loomis what it is today. I believe her impactful leadership will build upon this foundation, and I look forward to the meaningful relationships we will foster with her.
Perhaps what I admire most about Mrs. Soja is her openness and her genuine desire for feedback. As we welcome Mrs. Soja to Loomis Chafee, I'm excited for the community she will foster here.
As faculty and staff, we look forward to partnering with you in furthering the school's mission to instill in our students a commitment to the best self and the common good.
Jody is the right leader for Loomis today. I am confident that she will live the school's mission and inspire our students and community to do the same. Jody's story at Loomis is just beginning, and with the support of the entire Loomis Chafee family, it promises to be one focused on community and filled with joy.
Jody, it is my honor to pass the gavel of leadership to you as Russ Weigel passed it to me 16 years ago. Know that you have our best wishes and support as you begin your tenure as Loomis Chafee's 8th head of school.